tell me about the cost of not doing versus the cost of doing stabilization.
The cost of not doing stabilization is it's just a gamble. You know, you don't have to do anything. I mean, there's a lot of homes in North Texas and all over the country that don't do anything, that have a high PVR, that don't move. But there's quite a lot of them that do. And that's where if you have a house that's moving, and it's moving a lot, where you've got, a 1/4 inch crack, your bricks moving, all of those things, you've got doors that are not opening, and you've got big foundation issues, and you'll know them pretty quick, then you're talking thousands and thousands of dollars of repair. They got to go do tunnel under your house. They got to do full underpinning. And I'm not a foundation expert. I don't do foundation repair, but I work with a lot of foundation companies and know and know the lingo that a full underpinning is quite expensive.
Sure.
So you can save money on the front end, but if you do injection, you can probably get a lot of injection done for one house of repairs, I'll put it that way.